Start by creating a simple table structure. Run the script. Once the table structure is created, proceed to the next step. Use the alter table command and specify the name of the table created earlier and include the add constraint statement followed by the name of the constraint. Use the primary key command and open the bracket, then add the field. Run the script, and that's it. Your primary key has been successfully created. To verify the result, hold down the Control key and the table name. Click on the Constraints tab. Look for the row representing the primary key.